Fertilization and implantation. Fertilization occurs when a haploid sperm fuses with a haploid ovum to form a fertilized egg or diploid zygote. The sperms deposited in the female reproductive tract undergo capitization, which is a biochemical event that enables the sperm to penetrate and fertilize the egg. Fertilization occurs only if the ovum and sperms are transported simultaneously to the ampullary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. Before a sperm can enter the egg, it must penetrate the multiple layers of granulosa, that is follicular cells, which are around the ovum, forming the corona radiata. The follicular cells are held together by an adhesive cementing substance called hyaluronic acid. The acrosomal membrane disintegrates, releasing the proteolytic enzyme hyaluronidase during sperm entry through the corona radiata and zona pellucida. This is called acrosomal reaction. Once fertilization is accomplished, cortical granules from the cytoplasm of the ovum form a barrier called the fertilization membrane around the ovum, preventing further penetration of the other sperms. Thus, polyspermy is prevented. The first cleavage produces two identical cells called blastomeres. These produce 4 cells, then 8, and so on. After 72 hours of fertilization, a loose collection of cells forms a berry-shaped cluster of 16 or more cells called the morula. Under the influence of progesterone, smooth muscles of the fallopian tube relax and the dividing embryo takes 4 to 5 days to move through the fallopian tube into the uterine cavity and finally gets implanted into the uterine wall. At this point, the embryo consists of a fluid-filled hollow ball of about 100 cells called the blastocyst.